Hey, this is Kyle with Mars Heating, and today we're going to be going through the Mitsubishi SUZ SVZ heat pump. One of the many advantages to this system is the smaller, more compact cabinet size. That means that in a lot of systems where we're wanting to get off of gas, either propane or natural gas, we don't have to deal with a giant monstrosity of an air handler in order to do so. This is the size of a lot of existing furnaces already. So it makes install time for us easier and also helps keep costs more manageable. This is a 3-speed indoor unit hooked up to a variable speed outdoor unit. So what you get with that is the outdoor unit is always going to be ramping up or down depending on what you actually need inside the house, and the 3-speed fan will just run at high, medium, or low in order to deliver that. So its goal is to run as long as possible, but for you to notice it as little as possible. One of the other advantages to this system is this wireless thermostat. So we don't have to pull new wires in order to make this work. It is able to just wirelessly get in touch with the air handler and run from wherever we want to put this thermostat. So if the same location as where your thermostat is right now makes the most sense, we'll leave it there. But if it makes more sense to move it somewhere else, it's no big deal to just hook it up to another wall. This thermostat is also programmable, and you're able to either leave the fan in auto or also select 3 different fan speeds, 2 to 3 different fan speeds depending on what size it is. But you're able to select those different fan speeds if you want to just leave the continuous blower running in the background and try and filter as much air as you can if you want to hook it up to an electronic air cleaner or just a pleated higher MERV rating paper filter. This thermostat does not come out of the box equipped for Wi-Fi, but there is a module that we can add to that to be able to give you connectivity for wherever you go. If you're on vacation, you're able to check in, make sure your house is still warm, things like that. With that variable speed outdoor unit, we have extremely low decibel ratings that come out of it, usually around 55 decibels, and that's at the unit itself, which is probably going to satisfy pretty much any noise requirements in any sort of neighborhood that you may have. Or if you just don't want to have an extremely noisy outdoor unit, sometimes with our lot line requirements, it has to be in a backyard by your patio or something like that, and if it's a heat pump, it's going to be running pretty much year round. So having the quietest possible operation is a major benefit to these. These units are extremely efficient, especially compared to traditional heat pumps, because we're utilizing this ductless heat pump outdoor unit. Because it's side discharge, you don't have to worry about foliage or ice or snow falling into the top condenser fan because everything is just blowing side to side through there. This particular SVZ air handler, these are able to hook up to either their standard capacity or their HyperHeat outdoor units. So a HyperHeat outdoor unit just means that you are going to get more heat into lower temperatures. The reason that is needed is in some applications, in some parts of this county, we get really cold, consistent weather. If you have any questions on this system, please reach out to us at info@marsheating.com or through our website. Thank you for watching.